Hi, welcome to this Chroma tutorial on how to print with Simplify3D. Switching over to Simplify3D, I will first import the models that I am trying to print. You'll notice that 4 models showed up in Simplify3D. Each of these models represent a different color when it is printed. However, you'll also notice that they're not aligned in the way that I would like them to be. So to solve this, I am going to click and drag in the models viewer and select all 4 of them. Then I'm going to choose Edit and Align Selected Model Origins. And you'll see that snaps them all together. Similarly, I could have held Shift and clicked Center and Arrange, and that would have joined them together as well. Next, I want to actually rotate all these models so that they are face down on the bed. How I'm going to do that is by grouping the models first. So again, Edit, Group Selection, and then I'm going to select Place Surface on Bed. And choosing one of the faces, you'll notice that all 4 of them are now lying down. Using the Move tool, I can move this around. I can also scale and rotate them just as I would a single color model. So the next step is to create a process under the Processes tab. That can be done by clicking Add. And this is just my stock settings for a Type A machines Series 1. These are my normal settings that I would use for printing in single color, but they will also work with one change for multiple colors as well. And that one change is going over into the Advanced tab and looking at the Tool Change Retraction settings and setting both the retraction distance and the extra restart distance to 0. As you can see, these are both already 0 in my case, but making sure to make these changes will ensure that you have proper print quality. You can update your profile and click OK. So now we have one process here, but we actually want to create 3 more so that we have one process for each color that we're going to print with. So clicking Add, and the one thing I'm going to change is the extruder tool head index. So I'm going to switch from tool 0, which will be your first tool, to tool 1, which will be your second tool. And I will repeat that step for tools 3 and color 4. So now I have 4 processes, but in this case they're actually all printing over top of each other, and I don't want that. So what I want is process 1 to be printing only one of my models. So what I'm going to do is open it up and choose just the first model. So the blue highlighted one is the one that it's selected. So choosing Mosaic Card 1 and clicking OK. And I will continue to do that for the remaining processes. And there you have it. This is ready to print in multiple colors. So I will click Prepare to Print. I will choose all 4 processes because I want to print in all 4 colors. And click OK. And you'll notice that we have a multicolor print on the bed. If Simplify3D is displaying this in different colors, it's likely because your coloring is set to a different setting other than Active Toolhead. Active Toolhead will show it properly in the multiple colors. It's standard, or it defaults to movement speed, and you might see something like this. So switching over to Active Toolhead will make that easy. And when you're ready in Simplify3D, click Save Toolpaths to Disk, and that is the file that you will bring into Chroma for processing for palette.